Hi, my name is Jessica Burke, and I'm the Assistive Technology Coordinator here in the Pell program. Today we're going to be talking about the App Wheel. This current version of the App Wheel was created based on student feedback with the apps and programs they use the most in the 2024-2025 school year. The apps featured on the App Wheel this year are applications that are accessible no matter what device you're using, whether it's an iPad, a PC, a Mac, or your phone. The App Wheel is designed specifically to help students access applications that will help them in their academics by allowing them to choose the appropriate tool for the task. To best use the App Wheel, students will start in the middle of the wheel and move outward to find the appropriate app for their academics. In the middle, we have 4 sections: read, write, study, and organize. Within each section are subsections to help students narrow the focus of what they're looking for. In reading, we have reading and scanning and text-to-speech apps. In organize, we have calendars and reminders and digital storage. In write, we have lecture recording and writing tools. And in study, we have study tools and a section for stress management. So how does it work? Let's say a student is looking for a note-taking app. They would start in the middle at write and work their way outward. Once they get to the right section, they will then choose which app from the subcategories that would best help them in their task. The App Wheel is an ever-changing document that updates at least once every year. We listen to student feedback and look at current assistive technology trends and update where the needs are.